Hey there, teachers. Today's video on Schoology Assessments is going to be about adding pictures to your assessments. Specifically, we're going to add them to your questions, and then we're going to add them to your answers as well. So let's get started. Let's go into a test I've already made. And I've got a question about the heliocentric model of the universe in here. I like putting pictures on my tests. It makes them just more engaging, more fun. I like to put memes, I like to put funny things. Sometimes I put videos. I actually put a Roadrunner and Wile E. Coyote video on a predator-prey question one time. It's just fun for the kids. Makes my test that much better. So I'm going to come into my question. I'm going to get a spot right underneath it. And now I'm going to come up here to my toolbar and click the image button. It looks like a landscape with the sun there. And then I'm going to click right here to choose an image I have saved on my machine already. So I've already got a little cartoon about the heliocentric model of the universe. I'm going to put that on there. That's going to be huge, but I can click it and I can drag it to make it a little bit smaller. So is it necessary? No, but I think it makes the question that much more kid-friendly. So now when we preview the question, I've got the question, I've got the little funny picture that goes along with it, and then they're going to choose the correct answer. Now, the other place where we can use the pictures in here, I'm going to come to this question right here. Maybe the pictures are going to be the answers themselves, especially with little kids. Maybe they can't read as well, and you want them to select the circles or select the dog or some sort of picture. So in this case, I'm going to select Jupiter, and I would come in here to the answer blanks and put different pictures of planets, and they have to select Jupiter. Process is the same. I go into the box, I click the image button. I have a picture of Jupiter already saved up. Where is it? Right there. I'm going to add that in and click OK. First thing I like to do, especially when I'm using pictures as answers, is I'll make it a size I like. And then a little tip for you, if you click that and click Edit, it will show you the width and the height in pixels of the picture. That way, when you start adding your other pictures, you can go click them and make them the same width and height, and all your answers look uniform. So all we've done today is we've added a picture to the question by coming up here to the question and choosing image, and we've added a picture in the answer by coming here to answer and choosing image. And you can do that to most question types here on Schoology. Now, I'm going to have some videos later. There's two other great places to use pictures in Schoology, but there'll be a separate video for these later. But just so you know, label image is fun because you can upload a picture and actually put labels on it and label that picture. And then highlight image is really cool too, because you can put a picture on there and then the kids can draw on it and send it back to you. Great for the younger kids on iPads. So stay tuned for those videos coming up. But today we just simply added an image right to our question, and we added the image right to our answers. Have a good one.